April 8th, 2024. We're going to take a look at NVIDIA and we're going to compare it with the E-mini NASDAQ 100 index futures just to see who outperformed who. During the COVID era, NVIDIA was cut in half from $79. It hit a low of $45.17. It's come a long way since then. So this is a 5-year, each candle represents 1 week. Here, the whole market went into a bullish phase. NVIDIA went into a bullish phase also. Then we went into a bear market. Most of them will go into a bear market also. Here's something to think about. In a bull market, everyone's a genius. Everyone's got it all figured out. You just throw a dart on the wall and pick a stock and you're making money. In a consolidation period or a bear market, your weakness will be exposed. When we had our retracement, NVIDIA, they didn't really retrace. It went sideways. And then it broke out, AI craze, and it broke out and it's to the moon. So it's currently extended. We're going to take a closer look at a daily chart for a 1 year. The low for NVIDIA was $262.20, and the high for NVIDIA is $974. Stock has done very well in the past year. Is it extended? Well, let's take a look at the earnings. The last estimate on February 21st, 2024 was $4.21, and the actual was $5.16. So they beat the street and they were rewarded for it. The stock gapped up and from there it's been in a bullish phase. Now it's been under a little pressure for the past month. As you can see, we're in a consolidation period. So what you want to look at are the moving averages at this point. You want to watch the moving averages, you want to look for gaps, and you want to look for volume patterns to see if the big money is coming out of it or if the big money's coming into it. The moving averages that I currently have set up on this chart, the white line represents the 10-day, the purple line represents the 21-day, the green line represents the 50-day, and the red line represents the 200-day. We want to look at these moving averages and see how the stock respects its averages. All stocks trade with their own characteristics. So when we look on this volume for this particular day and we come up to here, this is a bearish engulfing candle. So the stock gaps up on that day and basically sells off most of the day. So what's happened? The stock has been moving sideways for the past several weeks. It's recently broke the 10 and the 21-day moving average. So this is concerning because if you look here, it very rarely breaks it. Now it did break it back here. If we look into this area right here, the stock did break the 10-day. If we look at it now, it's broke it and it's trading below it. What does that tell us? Well, this volume coming out of the stock is concerning. And typically when you have a lot of volume that comes out of a stock, you'll see a retracement. It'll start to pull back. We have a level of support right here. It's trading above its support area. We have a support area here. And then if we look at the 50-day moving average, will give us a level of support. I would wait for this one until it retraces back to the 50-day moving average, or until it shows us something, it starts trading again above the 10 and the 21-day moving average. It's going to be a lot of people profit taking at this point, and the earnings have to catch up with the stock price. Let's talk about an entry point for NVIDIA. What would be a good entry point? Right now, current price would be in the 803 range. It's in a consolidation period, so this is healthy. This volume spike tells a different story. I just want to give it a little more time, and that will complete our analysis of NVIDIA. Thank you, and Have a great day. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully this will bring value to your investing and trading process in the stock market. If we bring value to your process, please show us some love and subscribe, like, hit the bell. So always remember to dot your I's and cross your T's, and don't forget the Z. Happy investing.